I'm here with Matt Anderson with Farm Bureau. Thank you for joining me.
It's a pleasure to be with you, Janel.
So Farm Bureau, I know you do homeowners insurance.
We do.
And that's what we're going to focus on tonight. But you also do life insurance, car insurance. Touch on that just a little bit.
Yep, we do a little bit of everything. So
Okay.
We are the #1 agricultural insurer in the state of Minnesota and in every state that we operate in. We do life insurance. We do, as you said, home and car insurance. And then the bigger part of our business is actually the financial services side. So that financial consulting, advising, and brokerage and things like that.
Okay.
So the retirement planning and things like that.
Wow, that's good to know.
Yeah.
That's good to know. And again, tonight we're going to talk about homeowners insurance because that's what affects me the most.
Yes.
But I like to keep my clients informed. So when you're doing an insurance binder, so when a buyer is going to close on a house, lenders require an insurance binder. Explain what that is.
Yeah, so a binder, is this mystical, magical thing that a lot of people think is just very complex. And really all it is it's just a document written out by an insurance agent sent to the mortgage company that says you have insurance in place on this house or this piece of property that you want to purchase. And that, ensures the mortgage company that, from the second that you take the keys over, that if anything happens to that house, you're covered.
I tell my people, now correct me if I'm wrong. So when I have somebody that is ready to close on a house or getting close to closing on a house, I always tell them to get at least a minimum of 2 insurance quotes because they do vary that much in price.
Absolutely.
Is that good advice?
I think it's really good advice. And I would really stress, don't go out to the internet and get quotes. Talk to a human being.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to somebody who has a license to do this, who's been doing it for a few years and knows what they're talking about. I think all too often we have people who come in, and actually this just happened this week. I had a young gentleman who purchased online when he bought his house, and we were looking at his policy, and we figured out that while it met the standards that the mortgage company wanted, it only covered fire. If he would have had hail damage or anything like that, there was no coverage, and purely just because he bought online and didn't talk to somebody about what he had.
Oh, and it's always really important to me, and I'm sure you would agree, shopping local, it's really important. Absolutely.
A lot of these insurance agencies, even if they have a big name on their company, they're usually, similar to you and me, just an everyday person trying to get by and to help people out.
Yeah, yeah. Keep the money in our own community.
Absolutely.
I'm always an advocate for that.
I completely agree.
Yeah. Another misconception I want to touch on is I have found, buyers, feel when they close on a home, they have to stay with their insurance company for eternity because it's escrowed in. And that is a myth.
Absolutely. Escrow is something very easy to change. It's one document that we send to the mortgage company, and it takes like 2 minutes.
Yeah, and you, as an insurance agent, handle that.
Absolutely.
The homeowner does not have to handle that part.
Absolutely. It is such a simple process to change things over. And you're right, there are a lot of people that say, I've been with this person for 15 years, or my old house was with this person. They're going to get me the best rate on this new house. And the reality is every company has their different things that they like.
Yeah, that's great advice. Anything else you want to tell a home buyer?
Don't be afraid of the binder process. You'll see a lot of stuff out there online that says that it's, mystical or magical or anything like that. It is very simple. Sitting down with me will take you about 10 minutes, and we can get you a binder out usually within an hour.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. This has been helpful.
Yeah, well, thank you for having me. I greatly appreciate it.
No problem.